Good morning, students. Shall we start the class? Okay. By what means of transport you are all coming to school? You tell me. You are coming by school bus. You tell me. You are coming by cycle. You're coming by walk. Okay. Now you tell me, why do you choose cycle as your transport? Because your house is some average distance. Why do you come by school bus? Because your home is so far. Okay. Why do you come by walk? Because your home is so near. Okay. Now, students, you tell me, why do you choose different type of transport? Why are you choosing bus? Why are you choosing cycle? And why do you come by walk? Because of, yes, distance. Very good, students. Because of distance. Okay. What is the unit of distance? It is kilometer. What are all the other units for distance? You can measure in meter, centimeter, decimeter. In those days and all, they will say the distance in miles. Yes, very good. They will say in miles, yards, foot, etc. Okay. Now, what are all the 2D shapes you know? What are all the different type of shapes you know? Square, rectangle, triangle. Yes, very good, students. Okay. If it is in 3 dimension, what you will say? You will call it as, yes, cube. And what is this shape called? Cuboid. Does it look like a cuboid? Yes, it is cuboid. And what is this called as? Sphere. This ball is a sphere. Okay. And there are many shapes. Cones, frustum, cylinder, everything are 3D shapes. How do you differentiate 2D and 3D? What are all the attributes you have in 2D? You have only, yes, you have only length and breadth. If it is 3 dimension, what are all the attributes you have? You have length, breadth and width or height. Yes, very good, students. Clap hands for yourself. Very good, very good. Okay, now tell me, this is a cube. If you want to find the space occupied on the cube, on this table, now what do you will find? What do you need to measure? You need to find the area. Okay, now if you want to find the boundary of this cube, then what do you need to find? You need to find the perimeter. Okay, okay, students. Okay, now you tell me, if you happen to go to the grocery shops to purchase some pulses or rice, sugar and all, how do you go and ask for the shopkeeper? You will go and buy in kilograms or grams. If you are going to purchase some oil or milk and all, how you go and purchase? You will measure in liters. Yes, very good. If you happen to go to a jewelry shop, there how do you go and ask for the golds or silver? Golds, how you will go and ask? You will buy in grams or pounds, or the purity of the gold is measured in what? Yes, it is measured in carats. Okay, if you happen to go to the textile shop, how you will go and measure the cloth in meters, materials? You will purchase in meters. Yes, very good. Now, if you happen to go in a bike or in some vehicles, what is the thing you will see on the front? You will see the speedometer. Yes, in speedometer, what are all the things you can find? You can find the distance, kilometer, and how speed you are going. Then it is also some fuel tank also. So what are all the things you are seeing? You can measure the distance, your speed and everything. Okay. So in day-to-day life, what are all the things you are seeing? You are finding TV. In TV and all, how you will measure the TV? In inches. Yes, very good. So in day-to-day life, whatever we use, whatever we go and purchase, we use some measurement. Yes. Now can you understand what is the topic I am going to take today? Yes, it's measurement. Very good, students. Shall we move on further? Okay.